You take her money.
I just gave it to him.
Then why are you crying then?
I just gave it to him.
Then don't cry.
Okay.
Okay, go sit in your car. Hurry. Go eat our favorite spot.
First one. Where's everybody? It's fun.
They're just open.
They're not awake yet. They're still sleeping.
Yeah. We are at H Mart. We traveled 2.5 hours just to come here. Show me your sauce. What is it? Are you excited? Connor, why are you right here? Who are you holding? Who is that? Who's that? Is that Kaden or is that Caillou?
I like Caillou.
Yeah, it is Caillou. Oh, Chase, careful. Hi. Hi. Au Jean.